WordPress CMS in the CPanel hosting environment. Okay, I will just follow the following 4 steps to install WordPress in the CPanel environment. Okay, to get CPanel access, you should have a domain name, suppose like themescode.net, and a hosting account. If you already haven't purchased any domain name or hosting account, I have provided the referral links in the video description below, and you can purchase from the link. Okay, and if you have any hosting account and domain name, and after the domain name type / and CPanel, and then you will get this environment. Okay, so let's start with the first step. First of all, download WordPress CMS. Okay, and to download the WordPress CMS, you will go http://wordpress.org/download. I have provided this link in the video description, and you can see a blue download WordPress button, and you will hit this button to download WordPress CMS zip file. Okay, I have already downloaded the file, and it's in the download folder in my computer. Here it is. So my first step is done. Okay, this one is done, and now I should log in to CPanel and upload WordPress zip file. Just come here and use the username and put the password and try to log in. Here it is. You can see the CPanel environment. If you are not familiar with CPanel, nothing to be worried about. It's simple. And in the CPanel, you will find out the file section first. Okay, here it is. In my CPanel environment, the file section is in the top section, but it can be organized in different ways in your CPanel environment. So just find out the file manager. Okay, so I'll just upload WordPress here. Okay, click on this file manager link and open in a new tab. Okay, here goes the environment where I'll upload the WordPress CMS zip file. Okay, just click on this, double click on this public HTML folder. It is empty, and I'll upload here. Just hit the upload, and what I'll do, I'll just drag this and put here. Okay, as you can see, the WordPress zip file has been uploaded. Just get back to this environment, and you can see the reload button. Just hit this reload button. Okay, here goes the zip file, and I'll just right click on the zip file and I'll extract it. Okay, extract. As you can see, it has created a WordPress directory or folder, whatever you say, and what I will do, just double click on it and access all the files, and right click and move. Actually, all the file which goes directly under the public_HTML directory. So I'll just remove this, and I'll just move all the files to the direct directory. Okay, hit this move files up on level. So now you can see under the public directory all file goes here. Now you can just delete this zip file, it is not necessary, and just select this file and hit this delete button. This WordPress directory isn't necessary, just select this and hit this delete. Okay, the second step is done. Log in CPanel and upload WordPress. Okay, now third step, create a database and a database user and add the user to database. Okay, just go to the CPanel main section here. As you can see, this is the database section and MySQL database. Hit this link and open in the new tab. Here I will create a new database. So as this is the tutorial purpose, I'm not going to make it big, just sample text. Okay, just hit this create database button, and database already added, and I'm just going to get the name. I'm going to note the database name. Okay, now it's time to go back and create a user, and the user should have a password. What I did, just I hit this password generator button, and it generated a password for me, and I have just copied the password. Get back here. This is the password, and now I will just create the user. Okay, the username is this. Briefly, I have noted here db user. Okay, I hope you did not face any problem to this third step, and now it's time to add the user to the database. Okay, I'm just going to get back here, and okay, what I'll do, just add this database. From here, just scroll down and add user to database section. I'll come here, and I have created a database and a user, and I'll just combine these two things and just user with this database. I'm just going to hit this add button. As you can see, there is a pop-up, just all privilege. Check this button to provide all privilege to the user. Just the drop function won't be necessary. Just keep this unchecked. Just hit this make changes button. Okay, everything is done, and you can just open the domain name here, themescode.net, and just hit the browser. Okay, these setting widgets will be available when you uploaded these files in the cPanel public_HTML directory. Okay, just in this case, I'm going to choose English United States and hit this continue button to start the installation process. And it says welcome to WordPress, and before getting started, you will just need this following things: database name, database username, password name, host name. We have just collected these things already. Okay, so just hit this let's go. Here it is. Here what I will do, just remove these things and update with this information. I'll provide the database name here, database username, the password. The database host name should be localhost or anything else, it's up to you, but try to change the table prefix. Put something here to change the default settings. This wp hyphen will be the default things, but you can change it. Just type some characters. Okay, I just added 4 characters. Okay, then it will be different than the default table name in the WordPress. Now hit this submit button, and alright, just hit the run installation. Great, installation is done, and now it's time to add the site title and username. This username will be used to access the dashboard of your website. So for this purpose, as it is a testing site installation, I'm just going to put Imran in the latest versions WordPress itself generate the password. Okay, and your email, just put the test email and I'll hit the install WordPress button. But before I do this, I'm just going to keep this username here. I have noted the username and password. Now it's time to hit install WordPress button. Okay, done. As you can see, success, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Okay, we should enjoy. I have already installed WordPress in the CPanel environment. Just it's time to log in the site dashboard. Here it is. Here I will use these sections, the user and the password. You can check it for remember the username and password. Just I'm going to hit this login button, and just if you want to see the interface of this site, just come here and mouse over here and visit the site button. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the whole video to install WordPress in the CPanel environment. And just I'm going to review the process. I just downloaded WordPress CMS and I logged into CPanel and upload WordPress. I created database user and added the database and the user, and everything is here. Okay, and I could complete this section also. Now you can maintain everything here. Okay, I'll just create a series of tutorials to maintain WordPress for the beginners, and I will upload later. Thank you.